Hey everyone, welcome back, and let's talk about this Medium post which has been in circulation since yesterday that talks about the Law Commission of India wants to treat cryptocurrencies similar to other electronic means of payment like Visa, MasterCard and online banking. And this is being posted by Crypto Qanun. Now Crypto Qanun is one of the Twitter handle which has been actively involved in bringing the news about cryptocurrency regulations here in India. I must say that. And in fact, they were the first one yesterday to actually point out the news which was published by Cointelegraph yesterday, saying that RBI has proposed Supreme Court to regulate cryptocurrency. Well, that's not really the truth. The truth is that the RBI actually told Supreme Court that the cryptocurrencies can be used for illegal purposes, and that's the reason we want to stop those transactions, and that's the reason we don't want RBI to supporting cryptocurrency exchanges. That was something which was said, and this was actually pointed out by Mohammed Danish, who happens to be an advocate and also the person who handles Crypto Qanun Twitter handle. So he is an advocate, crypto regulatory analyst, crypto startup legal advisory. So this is a Medium post written by him, and this talks about the Law Commission of India wants to treat cryptocurrencies as par with other payment method like Visa, Master and other online payment. So first of all, let's understand what is the Law Commission of India, right? Let's understand that. So Law Commission of India, as it turns out, an executive body established by the government of India to advise them on the legal reforms. What does it mean? So if there is any new technology or new things which has emerging, how can we draw legal framework? That is what the Law Commission advises on that. Recently, they were working on a legal framework to regulate gambling and sports betting, including cricket in India. And that is why what they found actually that a lot of people for betting are actually using virtual currencies. According to them, the cryptocurrencies are same as the other form of payments, online form of payments, because cryptocurrencies are also online. So this is what the Law Commission of India said. But what they also mentioned later on, which was about RBI, they said that the RBI has outlawed the use of cryptocurrency. That means that the RBI has declared use of cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin as illegal. Well, that's not really the case. As you can see in this report here, they say the RBI circular merely restricted banking services to cryptocurrencies. Businesses and has not put any ban or use of cryptocurrencies, have not declared cryptocurrencies legal or illegal. And this is something that most people have misunderstood. Just because RBI said that we are not supporting the cryptocurrency exchanges because they deal with virtual currencies, most people have started considering Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies as illegal, which is not really the case. And it is the same interpretation actually that was made by Commission of Law also, which is quite surprising. I mean, they are the one who are designing the legal frameworks for different activities. So how could they misinterpret, right? So the Law of Commission of India yesterday said that, you know what, the RBI has already declared it illegal. You can see that here. It says the Reserve Bank of India, by way of circular dated 6th of April, has outlawed the use of VC. They haven't outlawed the use of VC. They have just said that the cryptocurrency exchanges will not get a banking support. So clearly there is a miscommunication and misinterpretation of what RBI's circular was on 4th of April. So this is what in a nutshell is the news right now. And of course, the Law Commission of India has presented draft to regulate a legal framework for gambling and sports betting. I do think that legal framework for cryptocurrencies are more urgent, are more important than the legal framework for gambling and sports right now, because I think there are more people who want to trade and go ahead with cryptocurrency since this is a new technology being adopted all across the globe. Of course, they are not really sure whether they want to regulate betting in India as well. But I think the cryptocurrency regulations are something which are required at this point in time for India, and it would be great if Law Commission of India can start working on the legal framework for cryptocurrency as soon as it can, because it will help all the department or in the government like RBI, the Law Commission, the Justice, and the Finance Ministry, everyone, to understand where the country stands when it comes to, and how the country can take this adoption of cryptocurrencies and how it can help the ecosystem grow. So this is all the news. Let me know your opinion of what do you think about the regulation in India. Do you think regulations are coming very soon here? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care.